Team building. As a project leader, you will often be assigned to a project that has a team, which may or may not have a good track record of success. You probably did not have a role in selecting the team members, and you might not even have enough authority to change the team composition or start that team from scratch. In this situation, you need to build your team using the limited resources assigned to the project so that it can achieve the level of performance it needs. Team building is an ongoing process that helps a group evolve into a cohesive unit. The team members not only share expectations for accomplishing group tasks, but trust and support each other and respect one another's individual differences. Your role as a team builder is to lead your team toward cohesiveness and productivity. A team takes on a life of its own, and you have to regularly nurture and maintain it. These are the elements you need to consider to build and maintain your team. This is not a linear process. As you make progress in the project, there will be disruptions such as introduction of new members, a change in the organizational climate, or significant issues in the project, all that can cause a team to change and cause a drop in performance. That is why it's important to continuously monitor the team and identify the issues or changes they may have and that will require your attention. The six elements are clear and motivating goals, establish roles and responsibilities, define skills gap and develop capacity, create an environment of trust, communicate, motivate, inspire, coach, guide, and solve conflicts, monitor performance, provide feedback, and reward achievements. Clear and motivating goals. The team must have a clear understanding of the project goals and what is their role in achieving those goals. You can organize a session with the team to go over the project goals and make sure all have an understanding of what is expected of them. Avoid the problem of having an ill-defined, uninspired, or confusing purpose, and leading the team to figure out what success is supposed to look like. A clear, compelling purpose gives reason for people to commit to a team. A common purpose not only calls the team together, it also holds the team together during difficult times that will be experienced during the project life cycle. Roles and responsibilities. The second element in building your team is to make sure they all understand the roles and responsibilities in the project. Team members do better work when their roles are clear about their contributions to the success of the project. Additionally, you can develop with the team an agreement on the norms and rules the team will follow to norm its behavior. These norms may include how to manage conflict, disagreements, communications, team evaluations, and performance goals. The use of basic norms increases the level of respect among members. The development of a team mission statement helps create a cohesive and supportive team environment. It builds a strong work ethic that focuses on results and develops a shared recognition of team success. A tool used in this step is the Team Charter. It's a simple document that describes the roles, responsibilities, norms, and standards of the team. The charter may include some basic processes for solving problems, making decisions, managing meetings, or developing solutions. This is a document that all team members sign and agree to follow. Develop the skills. Your team may or not may have all the skills needed to accomplish their work in the project. Some may have experience in the technical areas, but they may lack experience in soft skills such as communication and teamwork. Make an assessment of the skills in your team and compare them to the level of skills needed to perform effectively in the project. The assessment will identify the critical areas they need to develop. A simple capacity building plan can help define the cost and the schedule to develop these key skills. With this plan, you can monitor the progress and see its impact on the performance of the team. Options that you can use to develop the skills include bringing a trainer or do some cross-training. In addition to providing training opportunities, the team must have all the resources they need to do their job effectively. This includes computers, information, office space, and an environment that conducts the collaboration and open communication in the team. Teamwork environment. Developing a team includes the creation of an environment that nurtures trust, collaboration, and teamwork. It's not enough to give them goals, norms, and skills. The environment where they work must be conducive of the behavior they need to be an effective team. The environment is heavily influenced by the leader who leads by example. In a teamwork environment, the team is involved in decision making. The team takes accountability for its results. The team appreciates the diversity of opinions and engages in constructive conflict. Communications are open and team members feel free to express their ideas and opinions. Communication. Your job is to ensure that the team members communicate openly and honestly and stay focused on the task. Communication is more than talking. It's about listening and asking questions to get clarification. Before you communicate, it's important that you learn to listen first and understand their point of views, opinions, issues, challenges, and concerns. The key to team performance is open lines of communication at all times to provide motivation, maintain interest, and promote cooperation. Monitor the performance. You're setting the conditions and environment that will increase the effectiveness of your team. As mentioned before, this is a cyclical process and that you need to monitor the performance of your team over the life of the project. Monitor the progress of your team. Don't wait until the end of the project to address performance issues. Feedback should be immediate in order to be effective. Team members need to know what can be improved. Another element of team building is the importance to recognize the team efforts, acknowledge individual achievement during group meetings, and compliment the team as a whole on working well together. If you have implemented the above steps correctly, then your job is to get out of the way. As the leader, your role will change over the life of the team. In the beginning, you have spent a lot of time developing the mission, identifying the team goals, and helping develop interpersonal and group skills such as conflict resolution and communications. Now comes the time to let the team become performers and leaders of their own development. Teams must be empowered to achieve the results. Only then they will take full responsibility and accountability for project success.